Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Salma here, Assistant Professor of Sociology from GFGC Anekal. In this session, we are looking into the elderly and working women. How do we define the elderly people? What are the problems and challenges faced by working women? Let us begin with a brief introduction. The two major social geographical changes which have contributed to bring about a significant change within the family are increased life expectancy of the people and breakdown of the joint family system, emergence of a nuclear family. Industrialization, westernization, and globalization are the major factors which have been responsible for the breakdown of the traditional joint family system. Increase in industrialization, individualization, and the new technologies are leading to marginalization of the senior citizens, and unfortunately today they have considered as a social burden. Indian population is one of the fastest growing in the world. India has the second largest number of aging citizens at 110 million. Aging of the population is being considered as universal. There has been a drastic improvement in the health and medical services. There is a control of infectious diseases with the advancement of medical science and technology. Substantial decrease in a mortality rate, which has led to a rise in the life expectancy. There has been an increased number of aged people in which there is a problem of elderly boom. Who are the elderly? According to WHO, people with 65 years of age and above are called as elderly or older persons. They are so called as senior citizens. According to United Nations, persons with more than 60 years of age will be referred to as older population or the elderly. The Indian census defines elderly as people who are more than 60 years of age. Problems of these elderly people. One society may treat older people with a great reverence while others may see them as unproductive and useless. Old age may be viewed as an unavoidable, undesirable. It has been a problem-ridden phase throughout the life. Problems men face in their 60s are different from the one faced by women of the same age group, in which we can say that the problems of the elderly people may differ based on gender. Problem of men may be different from the problem faced by women. Here, an analysis has been made with the problems of faced by aged. Neglect. The elderly people have been ignored by their family members. Age, particularly the weak, dependent, physically, mentally, emotionally, have been helpless. They may require a help of others in order to meet their daily needs. Economic insecurity, in which many older people lack of opportunity and the capacity to be productive as they were once upon. There has been a loss of job, lack of family support, and also by the state, which pose a threat when their body does not permit them to work as effectively as they were. A problem of the elderly has been isolation. There is a deep sense of loneliness, which has been a common complaint of many elderly people. It is self-imposed in certain cases. It is imposed by the family members in most of the cases. They have been excluded and isolated. Elderly people face a problem of abuse. At a time, they have been physically, mentally, sexually, and emotionally abused. They have been dependent on the caretakers for most of their daily needs, who are likely to be the victim of elderly abuse. Their resources, including the finance, have also been misused. Elderly people face the emotional problem. Despite being weak physically and mentally, the aged people like to tighten up their grip over the younger ones. They feel deprived and become emotionally disturbed. There is a long period of economic dependency in which these people are forced to retire from the work, old age retirement from the work, which virtually involves a loss of income. They have been faced with a psychological problem, mental disorder, which has been very much associated with the old age. They have been susceptible to psychotic depressions. They develop a system such as poor memory. They have been facing various economic problems also, retirement, low income, unemployment, deprival of productive role, economic insecurity, neglect by the own children, and also a feeling of social insecurity. One of the complaints that the senior citizens have is that they don't let them work. Boardroom idleness is due to forced inactivity, withdrawal from the responsibility, and lack of personal goal. They have been facing with the various health problems. As old age cannot be identified with ill health or disability, advancing age tends to bring an increased health problems. There is often a gradual decline in physical strength, hearing loss, blindness, lower immunity to illness, loss of memory power, hardening of blood vessels, respiratory and digestive disorders, heart ailment, arthritis, and usually associated with old age. There is a lack of self confidence in the aged people, particularly if they are not able to take care of themselves monetarily. In this section, we will look into the problems of working women. You can look into the illustration which is focusing on the problem of elderly and also the problem faced by working women, in which there is a feeling of isolation, there is a social insecurity, financial insecurity, medical healthcare problems, there has been an emotional insecurity also. When we talk about gender equality, women empowerment, women education, but the plain truth is that they have been discriminated. They have been discriminated. Women workers face many problems at work which may have been analyzed here. Without the active participation of women in various activities, social, economic, and political, the progress of the nation will be stagnant. Traditionally, Indian women have been homemakers, but during the 21st century, due to higher education, better awareness, and increasing financial demands of family, women have started working outside the household also. Indian women have started working outside, but still their homes, they are still faced with various issues and challenges. They are not treated equally in their workplace. There has been a gender discrimination. They do not get the same benefits as that of the male employees. Gender bias, unequal pay, lack of security, mental and physical harassment, lack of proper family support, insufficient maternity leave have been considered as a major problems and challenges faced by working women. These are the statistics on the workforce participation rate according to the Census Report 2011, in which we can see that women workforce participation stands at 25%, men 53%. When we look into the rural and urban differences, rural working women forms 30%, whereas men are 53%. In urban areas, women workforce stands at 15% and men workers are 53%. This is an illustration on problems of a working woman. We can see that on the one side, women at workplace and the other hand, women at a family. Women at workplace have been faced with gender bias, insufficient maternity leave, mental and physical harassment, unequal pay, and lack of leadership. On the other hand, women at a family have been facing with various problems. There is a family duty, there is a time balance, there are mother responsibility, there is a business hours and training, health and fitness. So here, women have been forced at the in unequal balance between the workplace and also the family. Let us look into detail about the problems of working women. The first and foremost problem and one of the biggest challenge that women face have been discrimination at workplace. Gender discrimination have been the biggest problem faced by women workplace. Some jobs are open to men and whether others are exclusively for women. Women have been discriminated on the basis of gender in various fields. Despite being equally qualified, talented, women are always discriminated by the employers. It starts at the very level of recruitment. Just because she is a woman, she is incompetent for challenging roles. Unequal pay for the same nature of job, her capacity to perform that task is also doubtful since she is only as a woman. There has been a sexual harassment at a workplace. Women have been faced with harassment at workplace, either sexually determined behavior, demand for sexual favor, or any other unwelcomed physical, verbal, and non-verbal conduct of sexual nature. Poor insecurity. Women have been faced with the problem of eye teasing, forcing to marry, acid attack, blackmailing, etc. There has been a lack of family support for the working women. The women have been working within the outside the family, taking responsibility of childbearing and child rearing, cooperating with other members of the family, but still she lacks the support from the members of her own family. There is a work-life imbalance, which has been a biggest challenge that the working women face today. Women workers are faced with a problem of a dual role conflict. The dual role, that is the household work and the workplace. Differentiating the personal life and the professional career becomes difficult and hard for these women. There is no ownership on her own earnings. Though women have been achieved a high place at work, but still she lacks a decision making and control on her own earnings. There are insufficient maternity leaves, which is another major issue faced by working women. This not only affects the performance of women employees at work but also detrimental to their personal life. To quote, to be liberated, woman must feel free to be herself, not in rivalry to man but in the context of her own capacity and her personality. From Indira Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India. Empowering women, achieving equal pay and providing a good career opportunities, strict implementation of the existing legislations and making the workplace safe for women free from harassment are the imperatives which are a need of the hour, not only for the progress of women but also for the healthy progress of a nation. Thank you.